but make sure you just don't need the base. See how it come off. That is so cool. And then if I miss, I think I miss a little bit on this edges right there. Just come right off. I'm gonna need a little bit more tacky here. Give me some more tacky, please. It's a little bit not enough. Thank you. Great. It's kind of cool and challenge though, because look great. Something different. I am going to using a black gel painting and shimmering silver and see how it turned out. It's different. We don't using I have the other one. No big deal. Right there. Can you see it right here? Me, and I'm gonna move this guy in the side for just a second. It's completely transfer cool though. I'm happy with this. Going to using just a little bit. This is really cool foil though. Remember last week I got to do like I think is unicorn chrome, and then we did fusioning on it. It's similar look like this, but it's like this one looks even cool. Like it's hard to create the looks like that for the fusion or marble look on the nails. So I'm really happy with this. You can just completely cover the nails. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want to make it like just the outline. What should we do in this one though? This is so strong and pretty. Should we put butterflies? Or should we put some crystal and butterflies? Or what should we do with this, you ladies? Do you want something? great. I think I'm happy with this. Maybe a little bit right there. Here for a 30-second flash gear. And this one is jet black. Hey Whitney, hi Money Back, Foxy, hello. Crystals, Debbie want crystals on? Butterflies and crystals. I can do that. And since I have you here, I will share with you how I can to clean the brush really quick. I'm gonna drop one of the no wipe top coat. Drop right here and swirl my brush so you can start seeing it's resolving it's all that black pigments off from that gel painting off my brush. So just wipe it off. Hey Annette, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in, sweetie. Great, so I'm gonna just pick up the silver, shimmering silver. You can use this gold, but we did gold just a nails previous, so I'm gonna try the silver. So I'm gonna see how it turned out. It looks not bad at all. But you know, if you want gold, you can go ahead and do it. I think gold is gorgeous as well. And this one is the veins. It doesn't have to be like crazy perfect. Just like and also, if you want, you can frame them all. Just to give it a little swipe. It doesn't have to be like completely cover the black veins. Facebook can see better now. It's just so hard. I'm so sorry. Facebook is really bad. I think, do we use Wi-Fi? So we should go use Wi-Fi though.
Wi-Fi's bad.
Is Wi-Fi bad too? Okay, I wanna key this one for 30 seconds. Instagram is really good. Well, Facebook is on and off though. I'm so sorry, Facebook. Maybe we'll try to go live tomorrow morning and see how it turned out. But Bin's really acting up like that. But it's okay. It doesn't, wrong one. This one is going on the other one. I said, wait a minute, I don't think it's a jet black. It's a shimmering silver. That's the two colors. And Golden Touch should be back in the stocks really shortly, like sometime next week. But gel painting, the shimmerings is really cool as well. I love to have a little black underneath, so then it really makes it like dimensionals on the little painting. It looks different, cool though. Let me show you with these nails. Let's use two of this. So I have this one right here. One is the kind of coral, and then one is like kind of a green. That is looks so stunning though. All right, so let's do some crystals on this one.